Here we are, baby. Fish on. Coming down! Right out front of you! Come on, baby! How about that noise, boys and girls? Nice king salmon right there. Real nice. Let me get the hook out of its mouth. Oh, dropped her. There she is, boys and girls. Fuck yeah, all right. You're good. I figured I'd yell fish on, but I figured you seen it. Fucking air show. front of you. You're clear. Got him. We got him. This one's foul hooked though, so we got to put him back. We ain't keeping fish today anyway. Get my pliers. Alright, there's another one. Well folks, I gotta tell you, I had a really good time making this video up in Oswego, New York. Put it on your bucket list, because whether you're from the area or you're from out of state, mark that place, because it's definitely a great time, easy to get to. The only thing is you gotta wear a life vest when you're there for safety reasons. Obviously, because the water levels go up and down there, it's a dam. So use your head, guys, and be safe. But either way, like I said, mark it on your bucket list, because it's definitely one of the most fun places to salmon fish during our salmon run up here in New York State. I'll be making more videos from Salmon River and Oswego as well, and I'll be throwing some tip and trick videos up for you guys. For those of you that aren't familiar with salmon fishing so much, I'll try to help you out as best as I can, and I might even throw a review up from the rod setup I was using today. But other than that, it's good to be back. I'll be making more videos like I said, so stay tuned guys for another exciting episode of Bass Kickers Outdoors. Take it easy guys. See you next time. Boop.